Here are the fast facts on the latest Israel-Hamas ceasefire and hostage talks. Who's involved? Israel and Hamas are the primary parties. Mediators: United States, Egypt, and Qatar. What's on the table? A pause in fighting, staged hostage releases, increased humanitarian aid into Gaza, prisoner exchanges, Israeli troop adjustments, and a framework toward a longer-term ceasefire. What President Trump said: the White House says it's backing a step-by-step deal focused first on getting hostages out and aid in. President Trump has publicly pushed for a swift agreement. He says Washington is coordinating closely with Cairo and with Doha. He's also signaled potential consequences if either side stalls. He insists any framework must address Israel's security and the return of hostages. Where talks stand, negotiators have met in Cairo and Doha in recent rounds. Draft language has circulated, but sticking points remain. Key sticking points: sequencing of hostage releases, which Palestinian prisoners are freed, guarantees on a long-term truce, timing of Israeli troop movements, the return of displaced civilians in Gaza, and who monitors any deal on the ground. Positions at a glance. Israel ties any pause to hostage releases and insists on degrading Hamas militarily. Hamas seeks a permanent ceasefire, broad prisoner releases, and international guarantees. Mediators are trying to lock in verifiable steps each side can take without losing leverage. Humanitarian angle. Aid groups say access and security for convoys remain limited. Any deal is expected to open more crossings and allow fuel and medical supplies, and expand evacuation and treatment options. Why this matters: the deal's first phase could reduce hostilities, free civilians, and stabilize aid flows, while setting terms for a broader political track. What to watch next: a finalized written framework, lists for hostages and prisoners, clear timelines, monitoring and verification details, and public signals from Israeli and Gaza leadership accepting the terms. Bottom line, mediators say progress is real but fragile. Until signatures are on paper, everything is subject to change. I'll keep this updated as concrete steps land.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, book called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.